Hello, my name is Mikiah, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime. Let's get started on making the slime. I'm going to pour about half a cup of glue into my bowl. That should be enough. Next, we are going to put food coloring to color the slime. About 2 of each color. I'm doing a teal color, and then you're just going to mix it all around until it comes to the color you want. And then while we mix the rest of the stuff in, the color will mix in more. Next, I'm going to do some of the hand soap so that I can have it bubbly. And then you don't want a lot, but you can have enough to where it's bubbly enough. Now I'll put lotion in to make it stretchier. That should be enough. You can add more if it's not as stretchy as you want it later. Next, I will add the decorations. I have shell decorations and glitter decorations and pearl decorations. And I'm just gonna mix that all together. And then I'm going to use some glitter to make it more vibrant. When everything is how you want it, add little by little some of this, your borax water mixture. You don't want to add too much or it will get too hard. But if it does get to a very hard consistency, make sure to add more lotion to make it more stretchy. This is how it should look. It looks really weird right now, but as you mix it, it will come together and it will form into a better slime. I'm going to mix it, so here's it now, and then here is it finished. As you can see, I made my slime. It was a little sticky at first, so I did add a little bit more activator. After you're done with the slime, it should be this kind of consistency. If you add a lot of lotion, it gets way stretchy. And if you put it in a bag, it is a stretch reliever inside of the bag, and then take it out, it's a regular slime again. Well, thank you for tuning in. My name is Mikiah. Try this. It's really fun, really cool. Peace.